Okay, I'm back. I played a couple of games today. I've been having problems with microphones and things like that. Finally got them worked out, I think. Other than my sound's playing out of one of my Bluetooth speakers, and I just figured that out. So, where am I at? I feel like I don't know. I'm just gonna figure out something quick. Belgium. Let's go with Brussels. Way down there. There we go. That was quick. I just seen the Belgium on the side there, and I am 982 yards. Wow, that was a quick guess. Holy crap! Holy crap! That was on it. Okay. This gets me fucked up every single time. Let's see. I was just sitting here trying to match up script. It's funny. Yeah, it feels like hit them hit. Not really circle. I could be completely messed up. No, it was good. 76 miles away. Wow. Wow. That was really good, actually. All right. Well, I'm going to cash this one out and post it because it's pretty exceptional. I thought it was pretty good. So that was an ace. An ace. So, my wins are going up. I'm sitting at what? Like 100 wins, 90-ish wins, 155 games. I feel like 70% somewhere. That's good though. All right, man.